Shannon's ex could challenge divorce and inherit star's $5 million fortune as she died day he signed papers, says expert. The expert explains it's hard to undo a divorce agreement once it's signed, but this wasn't a typical divorce. Shannen Doherty's ex-husband Kurt Iswarienko could challenge their divorce, as an expert explains the star died on the same day he signed off on ending their marriage. In an exclusive interview with the U.S. Sun, attorney and co-chair of her firm's matrimonial and family law practice, Morgan Richardson, said that while it appears Kurt, 50, signed off on his rights to Shannon's estate in the divorce, he may still be able to become an heir. The Beverly Hills 𝐸𝐸𝐬𝐿 star died on Saturday, July 13th, after a long battle with breast cancer at 53 years old. On the day before her death, Shannon was able to finalize her divorce, with Kurt signing off on it on Saturday, the day she passed away. The judge signed off on the divorce that Monday. However, the timing of Kurt's signature has led to questions about if the divorce is actually valid. What people need to know is, when they sign a divorce agreement, it is absolutely very final, Morgan of 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗁𝗏 said. It's very hard to undo a divorce agreement once it's signed. What I thought was interesting is that I had read that he signed it on the same day that she died, the expert martial attorney said. So to me, if I were his attorneys, I would be looking into, did he sign after she died? Is there a way to open that agreement back up and question, was it valid? Because it was signed, but maybe when one party had already been deceased. According to the expert, if someone dies during the middle of a case, the case can be deemed abated by death. That means they just don't get divorced, it's just done. The case is over, and then it gets dragged over to the probate court, Morgan concluded. As the U.S. Sun first exclusively reported, a judgment was filed and signed off by a judge on July 15th, and both Shannon and Kurt were restored to the status of single persons. The actress was discussed in past tense throughout the filing. 𝐸𝐸𝗬𝗁𝗏. Attached to the divorce judgment was the couple's settlement agreement, which detailed the particulars of the couple's split. In it, Shannon was awarded the couple's Malibu marital home and all the art, furniture, and furnishings within. The charmed star was also awarded several automobiles and a Salvador Dali painting. She was also granted rights to her ex's photography business, including half of the licensing fees from the sale of photos and videos taken while they were married, which was a focal point for her in their divorce.